thought we were done. Nala, I press. King, North Kakalaki, South Kakalaki. We them Carolina boys, y'all. Friendly backyard, yard, only way to the street. Friendly backyard, yard, only way to the streets. All the way. Friendly backyard, yard, only way to the streets. Friendly backyard, yard, only way to the streets. Stepping out my crib, I keep my feet on the curb. Please don't give me when I talk, sometimes I speak with the slur. I don't be no harm when I say yes, remember, yes, sir. It's the way that I was brought up and the way I prefer. It's a chop down thing, it's a kitschy thing. You do what you gotta do in order to maintain.